Hello everyone, welcome to the Product Slider Pro plugin video tutorial series. Today I'm going to show you how to display WooCommerce products with custom templates and customized products info. Make sure that Product Slider Pro plugin is installed and activated into your site. You can directly click on Add New, or you can click All Sliders and then click Add New to create a new shortcut and give it a title. Below that you will find several configuration tabs to create and customize your product showcase. Product Slider plugin allows you to get control on each product field in order to displaying the products in a slider, grid, masonry or table layout. In this video, I am going to cover how to customize and display products in custom templates. Go to the template settings to get the option Custom Template. For the custom template, you will have full access to each content you want to show in the slider. Like you can set product content in 5 different positions: content padding, background color, border, box shadow and inner padding. Let me show you a few ways to customize the product showcase. By default, content position is set to bottom. Click Show Preview and you can see this is how the product slider display initially. Let's set a box shadow and inner padding. Check the box and set inner padding to 10 pixel each, and also set a border radius to 5 pixel. Now if you update the preview, you can see it is showing much better. Suppose you want to display the product details in the right side of the product image. Select content position as right, update the preview and you can see product content are showing in the right side of the product image. Let's reduce the column value to 3 to give it a better look. See, it is showing much better. Similarly, you can display the product details in the left side of the product image as well. Let's get back to the column value to 4 again. Now let's see how to display product details in an overlay content position. Select content position as overlay and update the preview. You can see contents are showing on overlay, but they are barely visible since overlay color and content color both are dark. Let's customize the typography color. Go to the typography and choose the text color to white. Now update the preview and you can see product name and product price font are showing properly, but Add to Cart button is not visible yet. Go to the display options configuration tab and scroll down to the bottom of the page to find the Add to Cart button related properties to be configured. Let's change the color to white. Now if I update the preview, you can see products contents are showing in the overlay and they are clearly visible. Go back to the display options. Here you will find the product content related properties to be configured, like you can show or hide the product name, set product name word limit and link target. For the description, you will get description display type from short to full, word length, read more button type, read more button label and read more button color. Let's see an example of the read more. Go back to the template settings and set content position as bottom and change the typography color to default. Okay, now update the preview and you can see product descriptions are showing with a read more button. You can also configure product price, product rating, sale and out of stock ribbon, Add to Cart button related properties from here. I will explain those features uses deeply in the upcoming videos. Now you can publish the shortcode and display it to your web pages. Let's publish it and go to a page where you want to display it. Insert the shortcode using the Product Slider Pro Gutenberg box. Select the shortcode and you will get a preview of it. Publish the page and view it. You can see how beautifully the product slider is showing in the web pages. Alright, Add to Cart button background colors are not showing because both background color and the Add to Cart button background color are white. Let's change the color first. Now update the shortcode again and refresh the page. Now it is showing properly. That's a wrap of this video. I hope you have got a clear understanding about the custom template. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.